So next important thing is first in the first introduction part you will be you have seen about mushrooms. Okay, so in this session you will be going to see about what are edible mushrooms and what are poisonous mushroom. You look at this slide, you can see there is no brightly colored or colorful mushrooms here. You can see the mild white, yellow, gray or tint of colors in the mushroom. Okay, so main category of edible mushrooms are Agaricus bisporus, Pleurotus ostreotus, Pleurotus eos, CO2 oyster, that is Hypsizychus almarius, Hypsizychus almarius, Calocype indica, Valvoriella valvosae, okay, Valvoriella valvosae, Agaricus augustus, Agaricus bitorquus, okay, bitorquus, Agaricus bitorquus. And you can notice that these are all scientific names of the mushroom that are edible. Okay, the scientific name should be in italics and it should be written with the genus name and species name. The genus name must be starting with the capital letter and the species name should be small letter. The species name is otherwise called specific epithet. Okay, and you can see, look into this slide, you can see the colorful mushrooms. So it is very attractive and it is in different morphology. So these are poisonous mushrooms. So the poisonous mushrooms are always bright in color and it have different morphology. Okay, so you see this Amanita, if it is having the genus name Amanita, it will be a poisonous one. And Latiporus, Latiporus is also a poisonous one. And Morchella, Hericium, okay, Amanita again, Amanita, then again Amanita. Then another one is Hypomyces. So Amanita muscaria, Latiporus sulphureus, Morchella taliciosa, Hericium erinaceus, Amanita muscaria, Amanita ocreata, Amanita phalloides, Hypomyces, hyalinu, okay, hyalinu. So these are the poisonous mushrooms which can able to distinguish with the color and the morphology. And how detailedly we can, as we are studying mushroom cultivation, we should know key importance to identify the edible mushroom from the poisonous mushrooms. So these are the key features, the main few common attributes of poisonous mushrooms. They are presence of wart and scales on the pilus or cap. In the previous video, I have shown the scales over the cap. So if there is a presence of scale or the wart, okay, it will indicate the mushroom will be a poisonous one. And the umbrella, that is called parasol. So parasol, if there is a parasol, this is also considered as a poisonous one. Presence of bulbous or round ball at the base of that stipe. You can see here is the bulbous. Okay, if there is a bulbous, this will be the indication of the poisonous mushroom. Okay, and the attractive and brilliant colored mushrooms, bright colored mushrooms, which are giving more aesthetic sense. Okay, that are considered as poisonous one. And the presence of annulus or ring around the stem. This is the annulus, that is the ring which is around the stem. This is called stipe. So in the stipe, if you find some ring-like structure, it will be the indication of the poisonous mushroom. And gill is thin and white. If the gills are very delicate, very thin, and it is in white in color, it is also considered as the one of the key to identify the poisonous mushroom. And the small sized brown colored mushroom, you can see the huge sized mushroom, and also it is very small also, it's very tiny. If it is very tiny also, it is considered as the poisonous mushroom, and if it is majorly brown colored mushrooms are considered as the poisonous mushroom. Now you look into the image. These are bright colored. It has umbrella, parasol, stipe, bulbous is there. It is bright in color. It has some scales over the parasol, and see the morphology is completely different, and this is also something is different. Okay, and look into this slide. You can see these are not brightly colored, and it is not brown in color. So some gray tint, okay, gray color hues, okay, hue means some shade, okay, gray colored hues are there, and some pinkish gray color hues are there. So this is called commonly called oyster mushroom, and this is called milky mushroom, this is called button mushrooms, and all other are some variety of oyster mushroom, and this is called paddy straw mushrooms. Okay, and it is also some variety of the button mushrooms. Okay, and now you look into the key points again. So presence of warts and scales on the pilus or cap, umbrella or parasol shaped cap, and presence of bulbous around the base of the stipe, attractive or brilliant colors, presence of annulus or ring around the stem, gills is thin and white, small sized brown colored mushrooms. That's all about the keys to differentiate the mushrooms which are edible and poisonous. Okay girls, thank you.